this. Do you see the opening though?
Yeah.
A lot of you guys didn't have this on there that was all cut off, right? Yeah. So it was really hard to see. You didn't actually have that vessel right there. Okay.
What is that again? Yeah.
The inferior vena cava right here.
Okay, so it's like right in the middle almost.
Yeah, and so you didn't see that. This right here, see where I cut this? I cut this part actually. That's the superior.
Oh, there it is.
So most of you guys didn't have this whole entire flap on yours, did you?
Didn't.
Most of you guys had it like
We just
same as this one, where it's just it's all cut off right there. So the only thing you really see is like an opening to the whole entire atrium, or the auricle, I guess I should say. And guys, you're not going to get marked off if you write atrium instead of auricle, because we're talking about the same thing, right? I mean, not technically, I guess, but it's not going to be marked off if you write atrium instead of auricle, all right? And on the other side, you can't really see the other great vessels, the pulmonary veins, because on the way that it was cut out of here. And on this one, you see the, because they would be right over here, wouldn't they? But it's just totally cut off, so you can't see it. It would go right into this,
the
which is
inferior?
the,
No, wait.
right.
It's the right.
Is this the right?
No, that's the left.
The left. Okay. And so, yeah. So they're cut off right here. You can't see it. Right? It's just
What are cut off?
The pulmonary veins.
Oh.
She was asking about the great vessels, right? So I think that's really all of them. But the ones that I know you guys for sure could see were these ones right here. Right?
Yeah.
Because even if they weren't up here sticking out this far, they were lower, and you could still see them. And then definitely on the inside, you should know what they are from the inside. Because if you don't know what they are from the inside, how are you going to find the different valves, right?
Yeah.
That's not going to work. Okay, and like on that other one that I opened up, I mean, some of them you'd have to cut open even further to get through them. Anyway, that was a good question. Any other questions on those? No?
Wait, so is
You
this
guys aren't that worried about it, are you?
so worried? Are you kidding me? I have no idea.
Basically, holy cow.
What am I supposed to do?
90% range worried?
Yes.
Oh.
I have a 90% in this class, and I don't want it to go down.
Dang, let's do a great announcement.
So is this the aorta or is that the aorta?
That one is. That's the aorta.
So that's
The aorta is like huge.
This one comes off the top. So like on this picture right here. Don't have a nervous breakdown.
Okay.
Someone else is in word. Oh, Erin left because she has one heart attack. No heart attacks during the heart quiz. Okay. No cardiac dysrhythmia during the heart quiz. We can't have that.
Sinuses are located just superior.
Okay, look, Josh. Shh. This is bringing up a good point because the coronary sinus is one thing. The coronary artery sinuses are two different things. And that's what Madison asked earlier. Okay, so don't get that confused. Because the coronary sinus is where all the coronary veins dump into, and then that goes back to the right atrium. The coronary artery sinuses are where the oxygenated blood goes from the aorta, the first branches of the aorta are the coronary artery sinuses, right? Where the coronary arteries are. Right, guys? So that's different. But it's called a sinus because it's an opening, right? So, anyhow. But what was the question over here? That's the aorta, that one. Oh, here. You can see that the one that goes up is a brachiocephalic.
Okay.
So what would this one be?
That would be the brachiocephalic.
What would that one be?
Aorta.
Aorta. And then over here, what would this one be?
That would be the carotid, or the subclavian. Oh wait, that's the pulmonary.
Yes,
because
it's right on the the front. Yep.
So you can't.
And then that's the on the front.
Yes.
So you can't see the subclavian or the carotid.
No.
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 Do they
Because
even
that
have
would be. Well, yeah, they do have it, but think about it.
Oh, it's cut off?
This is the aortic arch, so it's cut off.
Oh, okay.
It would be like if this was going up further, and then the other one, this aorta is going to curve around. Like if my finger was continuing the aorta, it would be over here behind this. It's cut off.
Okay.
It's cut off. It would be kind of cool if we had a heart that had everything attached to it, but we don't. Maybe we can order that. I don't know. When I was in Arizona, we had dairy farms all around, so I got cow parts all the time, like literally from the dairy farms. So I would have lungs, like, okay, we have lungs today, so let's look at these. Or we have heart today, we have whatever. So unfortunately, we don't really have a lot of farms around here. So anyway, I can't do that. But okay, good questions. Any other questions? Let's see. Other questions? Any other questions? Questions?
Hold on.
I'll think of something.
Think of something that, like tomorrow night at midnight when you're studying. Don't study that late. It's too late. You need to get sleep.
Okay, so there's 32 questions.
Well, you guys are laughing, but
I know.
you gotta go to sleep. You gotta go to sleep.
How many points is this test worth?
You know what? I didn't add up the total yet, but it's pretty high. I think it's less than 200 though.
Is it like multiple
But
choice?
because the
and
practical is 32 questions.
Is it multiple choice?
Some of it is on the written part in there.
Okay.
How many questions is
Say we're gonna all do the practical, and then we're gonna all do the other part.
So
So
we're not
the whole
having a
entire
sneer
class?
con, right?
Yes, you are.
So the whole entire class is gonna be in here.
Yes.
Oh my
So
god.
we won't
Everybody's
have
gonna
Oh yeah,
take
because
this.
there's like 30